Formula important is F impulse equal to F times T. F is force เราเรียกว่าแรงโดนหรือ force and that's what we learned so far in this one. Alright? That's what we learned so far. And we try out some of the exercise like give you like this, give you whatever mass is, give you whatever velocity is, and then find impulse. You should be able to find that. Alright? And then maybe give some missing variable and ask you to play around with variable, play around with the formula. So, to keep in mind the formula that you need is I equal to ft, I equal to delta p equal to m delta v equal to m v final minus v initial and p equal to mv. That's what you need to know. Only just this, alright? Or just this. And know how to apply that. Okay. Let's try one example real quick. Sometimes they ask momentum of the golf ball moving. So P equal to mv and just solve for that. M is equal to 62 times 10 power negative to 1 kilogram 1,000 gram negative 3 and then multiply by velocity. Somehow you get this result. This is review, okay? And then we try out some exercise that involve with some impulse and F like this. Alright? Like 10 kilogram box. Constant force, involved with force, see that? Apply, involved with T, of course. We have F. We have F. F and T. And then, what is impulse? Of course, you can find from the formula that impulse is equal to F times T, right? Right here. You plug in the formula, identify impulse, and then play around with something like that. This is basic. Today I'm going to talk to something. I'm gonna move on to something a little bit more complicated. Which I'm going to post this one and you can try out later in the example. What I want to mention today is conservation of momentum. I haven't talked about that yet, right? มันยังไม่ได้พูดถึงเนาะเพราะครั้งที่แล้วยังไม่ได้พูดถึง When we talk about momentum or system, when we have sometimes we have more than one object, we can be more object. That called system. For example, we have อย่าเพิ่งคุยแข่งได้ไหมครับ เสียงมันดัง we have maybe we have object A, maybe football A, and we have B, and we call this one system. We call this one system. Okay? And they say, when we talk about the momentum of the system, a total momentum of the system, I will talk like momentum of the system It means I have MA, I have MB. I have two objects. So the momentum of the system is mean I have to have the momentum of A and the momentum of B. No matter how many I have. And the system has the momentum of MA, VA plus MB, VB. No matter how many. Alright? Even including C. I have object C. I have MC. So I have to include MC, VC. I have to plus momentum of object C also. And we call that system. When we have more than object. Or sometimes we have one object we call system. And we have more than an object. We also have system. Okay. And alright. The sector momentum of an object interacting with one another remain constant regarding natural support between an object. Meaning that the objects, you have a system. The system, we have initial and final. When we have outcome before after collisions. Let's say เฉพาะโมเมนตัมเราจะพูดถึงการชนกันเราพูดถึงการชน When we have first object, this object move this way. This object stay at rest. It hits each other. That means it could have a collapse, collision, hit each other, and it can move somehow. Okay? Let's say, for example, the object stay at rest. Hey. Object moving. It will move like that. Okay? Both have moment. So, this one, before collision, okay, before collision or collapse, the system have their own momentum. After hit, after collision, they also have another momentum. That means this is before collision, after collision, or initial and final. We want to calculate that. Let's say the first object stay at rest, we have momentum of 0, right? The object moving with maybe 1 meter per second, they have their own momentum. A whole system, this one times this one equal to 0 plus this momentum. After hit, after collision, this guy go this way, this guy go this way with their own speed, velocity. Okay? That means this one right after hit, boom. They have their own velocity. That means this one has momentum, this one also has momentum. The rule say the momentum remain the same. Momentum before hit and after hit remain the same. That's it. We're going to learn about that. We're going to learn linear only. But of course, later on when you learn higher, you're going to have some three-dimensional. Go another way. You have some angle. But for now, put it easiest way. Just boom, boom. Straight line. Only for now. So, to explain that, the rule said, let me give you the example first. If we have 2 balls, the first ball, we have mass of 0.47 kilogram. The second ball have 0.47 kilogram the same. Okay? What is the momentum of this system? If this one is stay at rest, if this one stay at rest, and this one have the equal to 0.84 meter per second. Okay? So the momentum, the total momentum of system I can call P total, okay? Equal to the momentum of mass A plus the momentum of mass B. So in this one I will have right here M 0.47 times V 0.8 for with positive because it go rightward, okay? And this one plus 0 because rest. And this value I get, this value that I get,
0.4
the value that I get would be
0.4 ประมาณ
0.47 times 0.84. I got 0.39. Unit is meter, right? Is kilogram meter per second, right? Then what you get for this? Anyone have question on this? คุณช่วยรีดเสียงได้ไหมครับ เสียงติ้งๆของคุณน่ะเป็นปรับเป็นสั่นก็ได้ครับ Okay? Anyone have question on this? The system first. And then, what if after hit or after collision, the ball go with, you say after, see that? After collision แปลว่าการชนกัน and then this guy will have velocity of 0.04 meter per second, I mean positive. And this guy has V B, this is VA, equal to plus 0.8 meter per second. Okay? Possible like that. It's possible because you can think that, hey, I had the first one. Hey, the first one and the second one. You can think like that. The first, the second. The first hit, this one go faster, this one getting slower. And it makes sense? Go, this is slower. Okay? It's faster from the rest. And then to calculate that total momentum after, that means I take PA, right? PA is equal to 2 kilogram timesไม่เขียนให้ผมครับalready point to where they come from. So I will write it here, okay? PA equal to 0.47 times 0.04. Alright? And you're gonna get this answer somehow. 0.02 kilograms meter per second. Okay? And then for PB, I can get 0.47 times 0.8 and then finally I get 0.38 kilogram meter per second. If you combine these two together, you're gonna get the same result because PA plus PB equal to 0.02 plus 0.38, which you're gonna get 0.04, and the number is the same as the number before correction. Okay, before collisions. Any other questions on this? This is the next step. ภาษาไทยเรียกว่าการชน ภาษาไทยเรียกว่าการชน collision correction. Okay? Before collision, the system has momentum. After collision, they also have another momentum, which that's equal by the law of conservation of the momentum. Okay, that's the rule. By the way, the sign convention still using. That means momentum is a vector. Maybe come from different direction. You have to consider on the sign. Okay? Let's try some exercise with some problem that you understand better. Like this. If you come from different, if you get this one positive, this guy have positive, okay? This guy has positive momentum. This guy has negative momentum. Make sure you understand that. ตามอยู่เลยครับ We try the first. Here's the formula. Okay? Since the initial and final are the same and the same, so M1 V1 that means maybe more than this. M2 V2, M3 V3, whatever. Initial equal to M1 V1 final. Or I can say P initial equal to P final. Also I can say P1 initial plus P2 initial equal to P1 final plus P2 final. Correct? You can remain like that. Can remain like that.งานซ่อมฟังนะครับงานซ่อมส่งภายในวันจันทร์หน้าแต่ใครไม่ส่งก็ผมได้ทำรายงานที่หนักกว่าเดิมเอาตรงนี้ให้เสร็จมันเหมือนกันเราไปแบ่งกันทำก็ได้คุณตั้งใจเรียนขึ้นเหรอครับตั้งใจเรียนขึ้นหรือเปล่าครับดีผ่านภายในเก็บก็ส่งดีผ่าน whatever okay good for you
ก็ผ่านส่งงานเลยค่ะ
เราส่งงานอยู่3 คน anyway งานเก่าไปตามส่งด้วยดูอีกทีนึงคนที่ค้างงานเก่าไปส่งให้หมดเลยคะแนนจะอัพขึ้นมาไม่คะแนนก็เดิมไม่ต้องอัพคะแนนหรอกไปส่งคะแนนเก่าที่ยังไม่เคยส่งไม่มีคะแนนอัพแล้วเข้าใจนะครับนี่โอเคlet's say you want to do this okay 70 kilogram water initially